Replace the MacBook Air 15-inch 2023 Touch ID sensor, a quick step-by-step. Power off and unplug the MacBook. Discharge static and work on a clean bench. Remove the 6 pentalobe screws along the bottom using a P5 driver. Lift the bottom case, then remove the bracket shielding the touchpad cable. Disconnect the battery connector to avoid power while you work. Identify the Touch ID sensor module near the top right of the keyboard assembly. Remove the sensor bracket screws and lift out the old Touch ID sensor carefully. Inspect the connector and clean the mating surface before installing the new part. Install the new Touch ID sensor, aligning the ribbon and seating it fully. Reconnect the ribbon, replace the bracket, and torque screws snugly, not over tight. Reconnect the battery, reattach the bottom case, and reinstall the 6 pentalobe screws. Power on, enroll a fingerprint in Touch ID, and confirm several successful unlocks. Job complete.